In this video, I'll show you how to remove your credit or debit card from Instagram. The process is pretty straightforward, so let's get started step by step. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Now, look up at the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu button. From the menu that appears, scroll down until you see the option called Orders and Payments and tap on it. Inside this section, you'll find all of your saved payment methods that are linked to Instagram. To remove one, tap on Credit or Debit Card. Wait a moment for the page to load, and then you'll see a list of the cards you currently have added. Select the card you want to remove, and this will bring up the details page for that card. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and you'll see a Delete button. Tap on it and confirm the action when asked. That's it. Your card will now be removed from Instagram. If you had multiple cards, you can repeat the same process for each one you want to delete. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.